Hey, just wanted to do an update on the face shields that we've completed. We made 480 pieces individually packed in their own resealable bags. These are all 3D printed with PETG plastic face shield parts on the front with elastics that are adjustable. This is kind of the setup that we have at the moment. There are 12 cases with about 40 per box. Each of them are individually labeled and what numbers are in each box. So a box would come with one or two of these double-sided assembly kits. These instructions, they show you what comes in it, how to prepare it, with pictures, nice big pictures, so very easy to follow, how it should look when it's done. And then each box should come with some extra elastics. They come with around 10 or 11 per box. And this is what a typical kit would look like. So it comes with, shows a label with everything that's included, kind of the people that helped us make it, and when it was packaged completely. So it does come with a plastic shield at the front there. These are all laser cut, so they're perfectly aligned to fit the shields. You have the 3D printed headband, you have the chin support at the very end here, and you have the elastic band. So very easy to assemble, super easy. Maybe I'll make an assembly instruction video just in case, but very easy. The goal was to make these super easy and organized, so should be good to go. So any day we're going to be dropping these off for donation at the Toronto supply chain, where they will be distributed around Ontario to different hospitals and healthcare workers. So yeah, thank you to everyone who helped us create this huge amount of face shields in such a short time. Super thankful for everyone who shared and commented on our posts. Super appreciate that. So we'll make another post when they are finally dropped off. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much.